Introduction to PHP Exec function. PHP is a server-side scripting language used for web development. The exec function in PHP is used to execute an external program or command and display the output. Understanding PHP exec function. The syntax of the exec function. Exec, string $, command, array and $output, int and return var, string false. Command is the command to be executed. Output is an optional parameter. If used, it should be an empty array that will be filled with every line of output from the command. Return var is another optional parameter. If used, it will hold the return status of the executed command. Usage of PHP exec. Example of how to use the exec function is given. The ls command is executed, which lists the files and directories in the current directory. The output is stored in the output array, and the return status is stored in return var. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Lack of error checking is a common error-prone case. Always check the return status of the command. Sanitize and validate the input data that is passed to the exec function to avoid command injection vulnerabilities. Tips and tricks. To capture all the output lines and not just the last one, use the optional output parameter. To execute multiple commands in one go, separate them with a semicolon. Conclusion: the exec function in PHP is a useful tool for executing system-level commands. It should be used with caution, as it can lead to security vulnerabilities if not used properly. Always check for errors and sanitize input data to keep applications secure.